From palm kernel to palace. A short inspirational tale. Long ago in a small village called Amato, there lived a poor boy named Akena. He had no father, and his mother made a living cracking palm kernels to sell at the market. They could barely afford a meal a day, but Akena was always cheerful and full of ideas. Each morning, Akena would help his mother gather fallen palm nuts, and each night, he would sit under the moonlight, carving tiny toys out of wood and dreaming of a better life. One day, after helping an old blind man across the road, the man smiled and said, "Greater than, your kindness will be your fortune, my son. Never stop giving, even when you have little." Akena didn't understand, but he nodded. Years passed. Akena began making beautiful wooden toys and carvings from leftover branches. He took them to the market to sell. People began to notice. A traveler bought one and took it to the city. Then another. Soon, orders began coming from far and wide. With every coin he earned, Akena saved. He learned. He grew. He opened a small workshop, then a larger one. He hired others from his village, giving jobs to the boys who once laughed at his torn clothes. By the time he was 30, Akena owned one of the largest craft businesses in the region. He built a new home for his mother, paved the village roads, and even opened a school so no child would go without learning, like he once did. People now called him Odogwu Akena, the Great One. But Akena never forgot his roots. Every year, he walked to the same market stall where his mother once sat, placed a basket of palm kernels there, and gave free meals to anyone in need. When asked the secret to his wealth, he always said, "Greater than, a small hand that gives will one day hold big blessings."